To enable Hyper-V on your Windows 11 system, begin by opening the Windows search bar. Type in Windows Features and select the option that says Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will appear listing various Windows features. Scroll down this list until you find Hyper-V. Please note that Hyper-V is not available in the home version of Windows. It is exclusive to the professional version and above. If you have a compatible Windows version, simply check the box next to Hyper-V. Once selected, click on the OK button to apply the changes. Windows will then install the necessary components. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.